Hi, Stefan the BMW DIY guy. My project today is from Kies Motorsports. I'm even wearing their shirt today because I love this company. The owner is fantastic. They should be one of your primary places you go to look for your upgrades for your car and give these guys business. They deserve it. The upgrade today is carbon fiber caps on my BMW F32. I even chose the F80 M Style, so they have that swoop on the mirrors, which I have to admit I like. I'm not trying to turn my car into an M4 clone, because in some ways it's better than an M4 now, but at the same time, I really like that style of mirror. So this is a very quick change for you. You can do both sides in less than 5 minutes with one simple tool. So let's get out to the garage and get it done. Here we are. I'm going to show one side because obviously the other side is going to be exactly the same. I've already taken the motor, I've switched my mirror controls to the driver's side, which is where I'm starting, and tipped the mirror up as far as I could go. So press up so you get as much gap here on the bottom. Use a wide plastic trim tool, get it underneath the edge of your mirror, and very gently pry up, because the last thing you want to do is crack this. So you pry up, and it'll pop away just like that. Gently pry this up. Just like that. And it should be out enough. One last little clip that's hanging in there. There it is. Now there's some wires. You can take it and just gently let it hang, because it's only going to be off for a few minutes. So it's off. Now the rest you can just do with your fingers. There's these little pressure clips on the inside that you're going to see on the inside of your mirror as you go through here, and we're going to press those in. So I'm going to adjust a little bit, and so you can see them a little bit closer. So the cover has just these little clips that just push through. So we're going to apply a little bit of outer pressure right here to pry back on it. And there's one little set right here on this outer edge, so we'll press those. And again, I already feel them fall back just a little bit. The cover gapped a little bit here with my fingers. So I'm going to reach in, get the middle ones. There, and there, and I'm going to get my fingers on each side. Now be careful when you pull this off, because it can go flying off. There you go. The last one's out. So then just walk it back. I feel like I've got one still hung up just a little bit. There we go. It's off. So as you can see, there's just 1, 2, 3, these little pinch clips. So all we're doing is pinching those and pushing the cover back. So then we'll just grab the new one and snap it into place. So here's the new cover. Like I said, I went with the M style with the swooped corners. So you just take it, and you can see how those 3 locking latches are just going to press right back into place. So just line it up and slowly work it into place. And it should lock right into place. What you can do is you can check from the other side too to make sure all 3 locking tabs are in. Other than that, you're done. Just like that. So all done. Do the other side, and you're good to go. Really quick, really great looking change. And the last piece from this side is just snapping your mirror back into place. The cover's in and tight. Looks absolutely fantastic. So you're just going to take your mirror, tip it right back into place, lock it right back on, and you're done. So go do the other side, and you're going to be all done with this quick project. All right, all done. As you can see, really quick project, and I bet you never would have guessed it was that easy to take your mirrors off. So, looks fantastic on the car. It's going to look fantastic for you too. If you're interested in this, the link for the product is below in the description. Thank you to my partner, Kies Motorsports. They are fantastic and a great company to work with. If you like what you've seen, please click subscribe and the little alarm button next to it. That way you get notifications as I have more projects coming out, and I have a bunch on the horizon I'm really excited about. Thank you so much. I try to answer any questions I can, and I'll see you on my next project.